Check out this 80s classic here at Unique Specialty in Classics. This one's a 1984 Chevrolet Camaro Z28 Coupe. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, actual mile car, 31,514. We actually have the original title on this from the first time it was registered back in 1985. Numbers matching, 305 LG4 underneath the hood. It's paired up with an automatic with overdrive transmission. Of course, nicely equipped, power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. Let's take a look at this front fascia. Paint coat in this car, 27. I believe GM or Chevrolet considered this dark blue metallic. Take your time looking through the still pictures. You'll be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay, trunk. Those still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Number to call, 507-386-1726. Riding on the correct Z28 wheels. Goodyear Eagle GT2s. Tech did note that the tires do show their age a little bit. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website where all those pics will be. And you can see no major nicks, dings, scratches up and down this passenger side. It does have the dark blue cloth interior, European inspired Z28 interior. Of course, a different console and dash than the Berlinetta would have. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. It also has new muffler and tailpipes. Catalytic converter intact. Of course, this would have a 2-into-1 exhaust. Also a copy of the window sticker. You'll be able to see that with the still pictures. Technician noted brakes are 70% at all four corners. And once again, those still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. If you like Camaros, maybe sports cars in general, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you'll see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. These videos are uploaded daily, and when the videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. That can be done online or right off our showroom floor if you make it to see us in person. You can see driver's side, nice shine to that paint, no major nicks, dings, or scratches once again. Let's take a little closer look at this interior. Be a great car for your local shows, roll-ins, cruise-ins. Just drive and have some fun. You can see these seats are in nice shape. If you watched our videos before, there's a couple colors, kind of reds, blues, and seems like copper or tans. When I get right up on top of them, it wants to wash them out. You can see it lights it up somewhat, but if I step back, there's the true color of that interior. So it is a nice blue and black combination interior, no rips, tears, holes in the seats. Cruise control, comfort tilt steering column. I also noticed the clock is working on the center console too, if you can see that. Pretty cool. Let's go ahead and fire this up, show you the exact miles. All right, you can kind of see it, 31,514 is what is on there. There you go, there you can see between the 5 and the 1. Gauge is all working, tack. What stereo system? It's like AM, FM. Let's find the station that'll come in here. Went to battle for you always. AC blows cold, heat blows hot. Top of the dash, also in nice shape. That was a cold start, so we're gonna let it warm up here just a little bit. See where we end up with that idle. Sounds pretty good. Let's take a listen. Nothing crazy over the top or exhaust. Nice sounding Camaro. All right, I'm gonna get this hood open. We're gonna check out that engine bay on the Z28. And if you stick around to the very end of this video, as usual, we'll get this car out on the road, take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road and drives out. Good look at the underside of the hood and the hood liner. There you go. Again, numbers matching. 5-liter, that one LG4. Power steering, power brakes, AC. AC's also been converted, I see. Battery disconnect down here for when it's in storage or in between drives. Look at this. Smog pump still hooked up. Very original underneath the hood. Be a fun one. Get in, turn the key, and go. Have some fun with this one. 1984 Chevrolet Camaro Z28. Just a little over 31,000 original miles. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Check out the window sticker and the still pics. UniqueClassicCars.com. Number to call 507-386-1726. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 1984 Chevrolet Camaro in a very different and in a good way blue. I don't know what you call it, kind of blue mixed with a gray. It's a great color. As you can see, the weather is changing in Minnesota, but the roads are primarily dry today, and we do wash our vehicles so we can do these driving videos for you. Great running Camaro, an icon of the 80s theme. What you might instantly think is the IROC Camaro. Well, some of them are IROCs. This one has a great stereo that works. Back when stereos were simple, you turn them on, you got treble and bass, and you can tune it. Easy to use, sounds good. The wipers and HVAC also working on this Camaro. We got the heat going today on this cool winter day. Cruise control works. Our speedometer is working. This has the interesting speedometer. One side, it's a long needle. One side is miles per hour. The other side is kilometers if you're Canadian. Now the temperature gauge is just coming up off of 100. I haven't seen that move a whole lot. The fuel gauge is just under half, and the volts are charging at 14 volts. Oil pressure is about 50 psi. Tachometer over here on the right is working as it should. Brakes are also working as they should. Nice smooth braking. Corners very well. Stays nice and flat in the corners. The style of the interior, you got that stitching on the seats looking good. The blue goes very well with the exterior color. And the black on the dash. Kicking the automatic transmission down, we got good acceleration. A very nice 1984 Camaro. Take a look at all the pictures and learn about it at UniqueClassicCars.com.